Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko, Ryan Diesto. And for today's episode 50, mga newest drinks by Smelty and Fruities. Smelty and Fruities, keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing and there's so much to smile about. Located at Barangay Benedicto near Datsan Multi Traders, Jaro, Iloilo City. They're also available through Foodpanda app, GrabFood Iloilo, Dash Delivery and Errands Assistant, Zoom Moto Delivery, and also copyright.com. For full list of menus and delivery details, I'll be providing description down below, and this episode is sponsored by Smelty and Fruities. And disclaimer lang mga nose, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. At ito na mga nose, yung shoutout portion natin. Ang shoutout ako ng dalawang tao nang support sa aking Drink Nose sa lahat po ng social media platforms ko, sa TikTok, sa Instagram, sa Facebook page, and also sa YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. So yung first natin i-shoutout ay si Lloyd Cho. Big thank you talaga sa'yo, Lloyd, for continuous support sa Drinking Nose. And also yung next natin i-shoutout ay si Mark Vicedo II. Thank you sa pag-promote sa aking Drinking Nose sa lahat po ng social media platforms at sa mga kilala mo, especially sa Bigo App Live. So big thank you talaga. Hindi ko ito makamit lahat kung hindi dahil sa support nyo at sa effort sa pag-promote sa aking YouTube channel sa lahat po ng kilala nyo. So a big thank you and big respect po sa inyong dalawa. So keep safe po mga nos and God bless. So these are all new flavors and large size by Smelty and Fruities. So this will be my second time na i-feature and i-taste test yung products nila. But before anything else mga nos, please do like this video and share it to one of your friends. And comment down below kung anong flavors and drinks na gusto nyo try for Smelty and Fruities. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo updated sa mga latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And please lang mga nose, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes lang po yun, please po, huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel, Drinking Nose. So let's start. This is their white Oreo for large size, 115 pesos. Ito yung unang makiin sa akin is yung white chocolate essence for this drink. Tapos nandun yung creaminess and also yung pearls, very soft, very easy to eat. When it comes sa Oreo granules, on point siya, perfectly matched for this drink. For our next drink is our cookies and cream for large size, 115 pesos. Ito yung cookies and cream, on point yung essence and also for its taste. Tapos nandun yung right sweetness for this drink. Ma-distinguish mo talaga when it comes sa cookies and cream texture and for its flavor. For our next drink, is our Milktea Cheesecake for large size, 115 pesos. By the way mga nose, yung word na Melona is a popular Korean ice cream brand na best well-known for their signature melon flavor. And when it comes sa drink na to, ito naging precise sila when it comes sa milky and also for its melona flavor. On point siya. Tapos when it comes sa cheesecake, hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweetness for its melona flavor. For the next drink, this is roast Thai, rock salt and cheese for large size, 115 pesos. Ito so far mga nose, nag-improve sila when it comes sa ingredients and also for its flavor. So good job, Smelty and Fruities. And when it comes sa drink na to, ito, na-amaze ako kasi kuwang-kuha nila yung roast Thai essence na hinanap ko, especially for my milk tea. Tapos yung rock salt and cheese niya, aftertaste na lang siya, pero well blend siya. Not bad for this drink kasi nag-well balance siya for these two flavors. For our next drink, this is Ocean Blue rock salt and cheese for large size, 115 pesos. For this drink, nandun yung mixed berry feel or yung fruit taste. Ito nasa tamang proportion for its sweetness. Tapos, when it comes sa pearls, very soft, very easy to eat. Sa rock salt and cheese, nag-best complement siya for its ocean blue sweetness. For our next drink, this is Ocean Blue Cheesecake for large size, 115 pesos. For this drink, nandun yung creaminess and also for its texture, for its cheesecake flavor. Tapos when it comes sa ocean blue sweetness, ito lighter version siya. Okay, for rating manos, sa lahat po ng drinks nila, I'll give it a perfect 10. Yung drinks na pwede kong suggest for Oreo lovers and cookies and cream, I would suggest si White Oreo and also si Cookies and Cream. And yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for kids, I would suggest si Milktea Cheesecake, si Ocean Blue Rock Salt and Cheese, and also si Ocean Blue Cheesecake. If you're looking for something unique flavor, I would suggest si Rose Thai, Rock Salt, and Cheese. When it comes sa overall drinks nila, ito mga nos, kahit anong flavor, kahit anong categories, ito mas lalo sila nag-upgrade when it comes sa procedure, sa preparation, and also for its appearance. Sa colors niya pa lang, very colorful siya. Tapos when it comes sa pearls, very soft pa rin siya, very delicate to eat. So naging distinctive sila when it comes sa overall ingredients. So a big thank you talaga for Smelty and Fruities for allowing me to feature your new products again for my vlog episode, Riginos. Thank you sa trust and sa pag-support. So Smelty and Fruities has good quality of products, excellent service, budget-friendly, and a certified Riginos standards approved. Once again, thank you so much and congratulations to Smelty and Fruities. Keep safe, manos. Bye!